3D modeling doesn't have to feel like trying to make a masterpiece out of silly putty. Without the right software, learning to draw, sketch, sculpt, and render a 3D masterpiece can take years and lots of money to master. If only there were an all-in-one 3D modeling app that let you turn a simple sketch into a fully fledged design with ease. What is SelfCAD? SelfCAD is an intuitive 3D modeling program packed with all the tools you need to create 3D designs from start to finish. Create 3D models with powerful tools on a beginner-friendly interface. Alternative 2, Vectory and SHAPR 3D best for graphic designers, educators, and freelancers looking to streamline workflows with a powerful 3D modeling program. SelfCAD provides an intuitive interface that follows the natural flow of design, so your tools are always easy to find as you work. The tool supports all industry standard 3D formats, so that you can import ready-made objects like SVG files or images. You'll also be able to automatically convert sketches and primitives into 3D objects in just a few clicks. With an interface built for beginners, it's a breeze to work on transformations, deformations, UV mapping, and rendering. For better precision and object assemblies, create advanced transformations with the SelfCAD's utility tools. You can use the selection panel to manually transform any part of an object, including the face, edge, or vertex. No matter how complex the 3D drawing, model, or prototype, you'll find tooltips and other resources to help with your designs. Plus, you're able to automatically adjust tool behavior according to your work mode, so the entire design process is always smooth sailing. If you're hitting a creative or technical block, explore the interactive tutorials and ready-made 3D modeling projects in the app. Just choose an object, read the step-by-step instructions, and let the platform highlight what you need to click or edit to bring your project to life. Whether you're a 3D design noob or pro, you can dive into interactive lessons or build your own tutorials from scratch. And if you're ever really stumped, you can use resources, tips, and customized tutorials from the support team to put you back on track. It's a cinch to export picture-perfect renderings with a built-in rendering engine that's working overtime, so you don't have to. You can also choose from multiple materials and lighting settings, and use sculpting tools to craft organic shapes. Take advantage of flexible storage options, whether you're working from your browser, local device, or a combination of both. Because SelfCAD supports all major 3D printers, you don't have to find another app to prepare your 3D models for manufacturing either. You don't need to be a computer whiz master artist to bring your 3D design ideas to life. Flexible storage options. SelfCAD for web, work from your browser using any device. No downloads are required. SelfCAD for PC, use your own device to work on your projects and store them offline. SelfCAD hybrid, sync your online and offline projects so you can work anytime and anywhere. Affordable and suitable for everyone. SelfCAD combines 3D modeling and 3D printing software features and tools to suit your designing needs. Number 1. Freelance designers, SelfCAD integrates with all industry standard 3D formats, so you can enjoy a flexible and faster workflow, whether you're just starting out or looking to impress existing clients. Number 2. Businesses, trusted by professionals in the animation, game production, design, and manufacturing industry. Number 3. Schools and course creators, looking for a free 3D modeling software for students? SelfCAD makes 3D modeling easy to learn and easy to teach. With SelfCAD, you only need one 3D program to learn how to do it all, from sketching, sculpting, rendering, and printing, to everything else in between. Get lifetime access to SelfCAD today. Why use SelfCAD? Easy to use and easy on the pocket, SelfCAD is a 3D modeling software that can help you complete your most ambitious 3D design projects for a fraction of the cost of other CAD products. No price hikes for Pro account. Once you sign up for a paid SelfCAD plan, there will be no additional charges every time we update the software with new features and perks. We also have a free 3D modeling software plan for students and hobbyists. Simple enough for beginners, enjoy CAD online software features fit for ANYONE, from students, self-taught 3D artists, and professional designers. Customer support beyond bug fixes and system errors. Have a dream 3D design project? Just shoot us an email with the details and some reference pictures. The SelfCAD support team is always ready to provide resources, tips, and customized tutorials to help you. Event and plans and features. Deal terms and conditions. Lifetime access to SelfCAD. All future plan updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 2 license tiers. GDPR compliant. Only for new event and users who do not have existing accounts. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Features included in all plans. Mesh modeling tools. Drawing and sketching tools. Online STL slicer. Sculpting tools. Interactive tutorials. Factory integration. Direct file import and export. Deformation tools. Convert images to 3D sketching tools. Appsumo offers 2 pricing plans. Pricing number 1. License Tier 1. One-time purchase of $49. Pricing number 2. License Tier 2. One-time purchase of $99. So why are you late? Get SelfCAD Lifetime access today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.